Hello and welcome back to the channel. Alright, or thanks for tuning in if this is your first time. Today let's talk about Tesla. You know, that car that you've been seeing on the road every now and again and you're like, oh, that looks cool. Yeah, that car right there. So, if you don't know about Tesla, I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the company. They make electric vehicles. They currently have about 3 right now in production. They start with the Model S. They have the Model X and they have the Model 3. Pretty simple. They also have variants to these models like P85, P90, ludicrous models, all that stuff. The current CEO and, well, chairman of the company and founder is Elon Musk. If you don't know who he is, crawl out under your rock and you'll probably know who he is. He's pretty damn famous and owns half of the current companies in the world. Okay, quite a few. He owns Tesla. He owns SpaceX. He owns the Boring Company, which is a company that just bores holes because this guy doesn't want to be stuck in traffic. Yeah. He also owns a shitload of other companies like Solar City. He started PayPal, which is probably what he used to pay on eBay and a million other sites. Yeah, so he's done a couple of things in his life. But I'm about to talk about Tesla, and it's going to hurt a little bit, guys. If you're a long-term Tesla investor, I'm sorry. If you're a short seller, you're welcome. I don't normally like short sellers because I like stocks to go up, because when stocks go up, the economy goes up and everything's good and dandy in the world. When things go down, it's not normally a good thing. I don't like crashes. I like to stay intact. Anyways, let's talk about the stock just a little bit. I don't own the stock or anything because it goes against everything. And by everything, I mean I like to follow this little known investor called Warren Buffett. And this guy, I guarantee, would never put a dime into Tesla because this company is absolutely purging money. Purging money like it is the plague, and they're getting rid of that. They don't want it. I mean, they do want it, they just can't seem to hold on to it. They are burning that shit like they are cold as hell. I don't know what's their problem. Probably because it costs a lot of money to make a car. Anyways, let's talk a little bit about numbers. Elon Musk recently came out and said that they're finally going to be on track to produce all the Model 3s on time. To be honest, it's about damn time. This guy's been saying he's going to do this for quite some time. So by the end of June, they're finally going to be on track to produce about 5,000 cars per week. That's great news. And they're looking to open up a factory outside of the United States. They're talking Shanghai. That's also pretty great news. If they can do that, they'll save a lot on tariffs and other fees and import fees and charges and steel tax, whatever they gotta pay. They'll save money. End of story. So, good news across the board. Does it warrant the current stock jump that it got today? I don't think so. No, definitely not. It went up almost 10%. It went up $28 today and change. That is a lot of money for a stock that is absolutely doing terrible financially. I think Tesla's a great company, but financially, it's absolutely horrendous. I don't believe Tesla will go bankrupt. I believe in the next 10 to 20 years, they will be one of the most, if not the most dominant automaker in the entire world. But as of right now, they're a bad investment. If you like fundamental investing, you don't invest in Tesla. If you did, you really like their company, and you might have made money. Hopefully you did. I hope you did. I mean, that's the goal, right? Make that money. I don't want you guys to lose money. I want you guys to make money. So if you made money, congratulations. You made money where I definitely would never have. And you know what? I didn't want to buy Tesla on the dip because I knew it was kind of a bad investment. I was surprised when it went to like almost $400. I wasn't surprised when it went to around $250. Now, that should tell you a little bit of what I think about this stock. Now, let's talk some numbers. Currently, Tesla's 2017 PE ratio, that means price to earnings ratio, is minus 25.36. That means they are not profitable. They are not profitable one bit. Their 2018 estimates right now are about minus 26.61. So they're less profitable than last year. They're more in the minus. They're digging a bigger hole. That's not good. Their 2019 estimates, bear with me, this one's a little crazy, is minus 167.32. Holy Jesus hell, that is a lot of money you're losing. Minus 167.32. Their 2020 estimates are looking fairly decent though at 37.42. So you're telling me that maybe in 2 years this company will become profitable. That doesn't sound like a good investment. You're telling me I gotta wait 2 years until this company makes $1? Why would you want to invest in a company when currently the stock market's been on fire and has been on fire? That's the only reason the stock is going up. If the economy went down, this stock would absolutely tank. Next, their earnings per share summary. In June of 2017, 1 year ago, they were minus almost $2. In September, 3 months later, the next quarter, they were minus about just over $3. In December of 2017, 3 more months later, they're almost $4. By March of 2018, they're over $4. They haven't produced their June numbers yet, but they're continuing to lose money every single month more than the last month. That's not a good thing, guys. If you're trying to invest in a company, you don't want to invest in a company that loses more money every single 3 months. Why does their stock price go up, but their cash goes down? Can anyone explain that to me? Please, explain that to me. I get Elon Musk is like this god guy that everyone loves, and I think he's a brilliant genius as well, but does his stock really deserve to be that high? I don't think so. Now, if we look at what analysts are saying, 5 give it a strong buy, 1 give it a buy, 8 give it a hold, 1 give it underperform, and 3 give it a sell. I'm definitely going to strongly disagree with the strong buy and buy. Partially agree with the hold depending on the price. At this price, no. This underperform, I would kind of agree with, and the sell I would agree with as well. Let's be honest, at over $300 a share, this company is not worth it. In the future, I'm sure once they start making money, this price is more than fair. It'll be cheap. But as of right now, it's too much. At the beginning of 2018, Tesla started with $3.4 billion in cash. By May, they already burned $785 million of that cash. That's not good. They burned about a quarter of their cash pile in less than 6 months of the year. I hope they make it back, and I hope they do become profitable for your guys' sake. And I do like Tesla. I wouldn't mind picking one up in the future. Sorry guys, I know this probably stung a little bit if you're a long-term shareholder. If you guys want to hate on me, go ahead. If you guys have a reason you think it's actually a good stock, you can tell me. But if you think it's only good because of Elon Musk, then that's not really a good reason, unfortunately. You got to look at numbers, and you got to look at what's making money. If you don't like a company but they're making money, and you like a company but they're losing money and they're about to go bankrupt, which one should you invest in? I may not like a company, but if they're making money and they're going to make me money, I think we could team up. Maybe I'm weird. I have no idea. I just like to make money, and I like to make the best possible decision with my money. As of right now, I believe Tesla is not the best possible decision. There's a lot of other companies. There's a lot of technology companies, even car companies and other companies that are making money and innovating. Yes, Tesla makes money and innovates, but they also lose money and they're minus. So it's just my take on it. I prefer a company that's in the green than in the red. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, well, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share this video, go ahead and do that. Share it to some Tesla supporter, and I'm sure he'll give me an earful in the comments. Don't worry, I got my Q-tips ready. Alright guys, until next time, see you later.